Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Don Amott Showground here in Hilton Derby. It's Tom, as some of you may already know. What I'm going to be doing today is showing you around this 2024 Elddis Autoquest 115.
Just spin round.
So it's 2 litre, 140 brake horsepower. And yeah, what I'm going to do is just going to show you around some of the bits and features. So as you see, it's got the awning on the side. You've got your alloys just down here as well. We'll scoot around this way first.
Yep.
So it's on a Peugeot engine. Down this side, you've got your leisure battery location. That's where your leisure battery will go, and your main tuck-up point, direct into the side just there. Your freshwater outlets on this side also. If we move down to, or move around to the back, got a few bits on here. So you've got like your bike rack equipment. You've got a reversing camera. Give you a helping hand reversing the Elddis. Toilet sets on the back. You've got your freshwater fill on the back as well, and your fridge and freezer vents also. Gas locker is just here, so it's a massive bit of storage for your gas bottles. So I'll just open it up to show you.
Yep.
So huge amount of storage just in there. Okay, so you can fit 2 of them just in there. Right, so we'll jump on the inside. So I'll let Wendy go in first.
You go first, because I've got to think of a step.
Obviously 2 travelling, 2 sleeping, so you can use it as like 2 singles, or it does make up into a double by just literally sliding these out into the middle, and then the cushions just fold down. Jumping into the cab will go. Sorry, it's 2.2 litre, think about it. It's 2.2,
yes,
140, not 2 litre, 2.2 litre. So yeah, you've got all your steering wheel controls, you've got automatic lights as well, you've got cruise control also down there. Nice large entertainment system up the top, you can get your phone and stuff too, and a big reversing camera screen also up there as well. Aircon, all your heating controls, heated wing mirrors is there as well, and loads of like glove box space, USB space. Points just there as well. Curtains going around the front, just here. But you've also got the cab blinds as well on all 3 windows, so the 2 doors and the front windscreen. And then we can move back down. Storage all in the top, like you're on an airplane. You've got all like your storage overhead lockers just there, all deep spaces just in there.
Okay.
Also storage underneath your seats also. You've got the whale heating and hot water on here as well. As we move down, again, more storage just in your kitchen area. You've got like your TV aerial up there as well. Microwave, loads of storage, loads more drawer space and storage down there. TV point for like a freestanding TV you can put on the side of the cupboard there. Massive wardrobe space, like actually huge, to fit all your clothes and stuff in there with your freestanding table nicely stored away. Washroom, so you've got a shower, sink and toilet, and like a large mirror just in there as well, with a few bits of cupboards for like toothbrush, toothpaste and toiletries. Storage in there, more storage in there, 3 burner gas hob. And then your separate oven and grill just down there. Okay, I've said that the wrong way around. Top one's grill, bottom one's oven. Yeah, more storage. That probably sound like a broken record, but literally packed full of storage. Yeah,
that gets stuck on the plastic, by the way.
Yeah, so fridge just there as well, which can run off gas, electric, and your vehicle battery when you are travelling. Loads more plug sockets for your appliances in the kitchen, and yeah, that is pretty much it. So I'll be moving the van onto the showground in the next few minutes, literally in the next few minutes. So if you have enjoyed it, if you want to come and view it, as for Tom, I'll be happy to show you around this lovely Autoquest.